What's up, everybody? It's your boy Allan Wade. Thank you so much for joining me on this unboxing. Today we are going to be unboxing the TW-820 by Tonor. This is a dual microphone wireless system. All right, we got this. Are you guys ready for this? We got this so that we can connect it to our truck and do a live concert from the back of the 2020 Jeep JL. Don't know if it's gonna work, but we're gonna try it out and see what happens. Hopefully we can work out the feedback issues and things of that nature. But today we're gonna just do an unboxing to see, just to see what's inside. All right, so this unit right here says that it can get up to 200 feet between the receiver, and you can walk 200 feet away. So that's a nice long distance. I don't anticipate walking that far away from the receiver, but it's good to know that I can, right? It says that it's good for concerts and church stuff, church events, and it says it right here on the package. It says, where does it say that? This wireless microphone, good for stage performance, weddings, conference, and other events. And it's made in China. Experience with products made in China, some good, some bad. So you get what it is what it is. I don't know. Some stuff is good though. But let's face it, the majority of stuff is made in China. Right. So yeah, we're gonna see what's inside of it. I'm excited about using this and the possibilities that we're gonna have with it. So the Amazon link, if you want to purchase this or anything on Amazon, will be down in the description below, so don't hesitate to use my Amazon link when you're shopping for anything on Amazon. Just click that link, navigate to Amazon, and purchase anything that you're purchasing. I get a small commission. It helps the channel out a lot, and I greatly appreciate it. This right here retails on Amazon for about $100, $99.99. So small investment if you're doing the right things with it, large investment if you're just buying it to just play around with it. All right, so it all depends. All right, so without further ado, guys, what do you say? Let's open this thing up, right, and see what's inside. Let's do it.
A-dubb Productions.
All right, let's see what's inside this John. Let's take a look around the box. This is what the front of the box looks like. This is what the top of the box, the side of the box looks like. Nothing really, little acoustic wave right here. Nothing really special about this. Good holding, sound, clear sound, easy setup, steady signal. Nothing really fancy about the packaging. I think they tried to do like a little white. Everybody's trying to do a little white Apple thing. Trying to look clean. So we open up the side right here. And here you see the service card. Shows what's inside of it. What you get right here. Boom, put that service card right here. Top. All right, you get the instruction manual. All right, who reads those? We don't read any instruction manuals. We just plug it up and see, right? And here is it's the receiver, the receiving unit. Check it out. Take it out the package. I like the fact that it's nice and small. Got the antennas right here. You got a balance 1. That's for I think that's my balance B. Balance A, power jack, DC in, and a mix out. This is what I'm going to be running, mix out to an audio interface. I'm going to run this mix out to audio interface into my computer into the auxiliary jack into the car. That's going to be my setup, guys. All right, nice little screen right here. Got some knobs. Knobs feel good. Power button feels okay. It's metal. The whole unit is metal, feels solid, feels like the inside is kind of hollow, sounds like the inside is hollow, but overall, I think this is a great build for $100. It feels good, and like I said, I like the fact that it's kind of small. It's kind of small, all right, so boom. Let's keep that moving, all right? See what we got here. We have the power cable. I like that. Look, that's very small also. Got the power cable, right? Put that over here. Boom. We have the quarter jacks, right? We got a quarter cable, so I can run this from out here into my audio interface, like that. All right. We got a windscreen for the microphone, another windscreen for the microphone, for the other microphone, because it comes with 2 mics. Put those right here. All right. And we have a first microphone. This is metal. It feels good. Let's see how this is powered. All right, it takes 2 AA batteries. Gonna get some rechargeable AA batteries, and that's gonna be dope for this. It's got a high and a low button on there, high and low pass button on there. That's really dope. Solid build, feels good. Nice cold steel in my hand. Got a little power button right there on the front. Obviously it's not gonna power on. And you got the other power button right here. I mean the other microphone right here, right? Running out of space here. And we have mic. I guess this goes on here. I don't know. I don't know what this is for. I don't know what this is for actually. So yeah, you get 2 of these little, I'm assuming it goes on the bottom right here, but this also unscrews. Let's see what's in here. I think that's just the, nothing. Alright, interesting. That comes apart, and this also comes off, so you can break it up into, I don't know why this would come off, but hey, it comes off. But you can hear the metal, solid aluminum, and I like that about it. That's one of the reasons why I picked this specific unit, because it's metal. All right, got another one of those microphone things, and that is it for the unboxing. That's everything that we have inside. I can't wait to use this thing. It's gonna be dope. You guys want to power it on for the first time with me? Let me get some batteries and power it on. Give me a second.
Hey Dub Nation, it's your girl Kaveen Jador, and you are tuning into A-dubb Productions. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And while you're at it, head over to my channel for some great videos. Link in bio. Bye.
Alright, we got some Duracell rechargeables. These are what I use. Product links to this will be down in the description below. These are what I use for everything. Duracell rechargeable batteries work great. Alright, so I'm just gonna power it on. Obviously we're not gonna hear anything. Oh look, the top part comes off too. Everything like comes apart on this. This is dope. And this is the microphone right here. That's dope. That's pretty cool. Make sure you screw it in good. Yeah, everything comes apart. And the windscreen you can put on here. That goes over top of that. Give you a different type of effect when you got that on. You look more like a broadcaster with this on. Well, this looks staged too. This looks like you're on stage. Hi. Or would you prefer without it? I think it's dope. I will put this on when I'm rocking outside. Put that on. All right. So let's put the battery in. The battery's in. All right. AA. Okay. Let me just drop that on the floor. Butterfingers. So I never played football. All right. So yeah, that goes in there. Jeez. Alright, you snap it in, slide it down, spring, and snap the other one in, and slide it down. Alright, put the bottom part back on. Y'all ready for the first power on? Of course, it's not going to connect anything, you're not going to hear anything, obviously, but just the first power on, give you guys the pleasure. Alright, here we go. Absolutely nothing. Let me hold it down. There we go. Power's on. Looks good. Wow. So on 90601, very, very bright screen, as you guys can see. Looks good to me. I can't wait to use these things, man. And you just hold it down one more time to turn the power off. These, like I said, they feel very, very solid. They feel good in your hands, but they are a little slippery, I will say that. But if you hold them firm, yeah, I like this. I think this is a good buy so far. Highly recommend it so far. They look good. I like the color of them. It's like a brushed gray aluminum. I really like the way they look. It looks really, really great finish. I had another mic set with an audio system that I had set up, and audio setup that I had, and I think I like these better. So like I said, the Amazon link will be down in the description below if you want to purchase these specific units right here. Amazon links down below. Use my Amazon link if you would like to get one. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed already, and follow me on Instagram if you're not following me already, guys. Gonna be back with a bunch more of unboxings. Got more stuff coming in the mail, and we're doing more stuff to the truck, so stay tuned. Next, I think we're gonna go connect this in the truck and test it out. Stick around for that.
Turn up that, crank it up. Why listen to the rest when you're rocking with the best, baby? This right here, this right here.